Is this the end-all be-all of beer can chicken accessories? Thanks to Tom's Ridiculous Things, we're going to find out right now. We're going to pop the top on this Coors Light and we're going to slam it down in our Canadian biker chicken mount. Now it's time to prep our chicken, and much like my senior prom, it starts with a good pat down. This is good for removing a little excess moisture. It's going to help crisp up that skin and the back end. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray this down with some spray vegetable oil. I made a mistake here by putting it back on the stand. I don't know why I thought I could season it like this, but I'm going to go ahead and pull it back off and then season it the right way. So I'm going to get started here with the little Killer Hogs AP rub. I like to get it high up in the air because I feel like I'm like doing some fancy Salt Bae level stuff, but you want to make sure you get it under the arms, get all the cracks and crevices, flip it over. Don't get too crazy, but don't be afraid to season your chicken. Now I'm going to follow it up with some Yardbirds because I'm out of our rub over at skullandmortar.com, but it should be in stock by the time you see this video. But Yardbird is a great rub. You can use whatever rub you want. If you're liking this video, though, make sure you hit it, a like, a subscribe, a comment, something. It's free and it helps the algorithm. Now it's time to get this bad boy mounted. I probably should have cut this chicken fat off here, but, you know, I'm already into it, so we're already doing it. We're going to go ahead and sit it right down on top of this beer. First off, dude, this thing is funny as hell straight out of the gate. I love this already. It's even got some little sunglasses you can throw on top for ultimate cool and biker badassery. That's all the prep we need. I'm going to get my smoker ready. I'm going to use some cherry wood because I like them soft boys, but you use what you prefer. Now we finally got our chicken on the smoker. I'm going to go ahead and probe the breast here so I can get the internal temperature up to about 170 degrees, and then I'll take a look at whether or not I think it's done.
Guys, this thing is ridiculous. It aptly comes from Tom's Ridiculous Things. This thing is absolutely ridiculous, but for all the right reasons. Look at this chicken, looking dope as hell, riding a motorcycle straight onto my dinner plate. Let's pull off his little shades here. We got his hands free from the handlebars. Look at that guy right there. I can smell the beer. There definitely is a beer smell for sure. Let's see if I can get the beer out of the rectum. Much like Terry's mom, they do not like to release the beer out of the rectum, huh? There we go. You guys want to drink of that? That looks freaking gross, doesn't it? This wing right here is ready to bust. Let's go ahead and pop that right on off of there. Let's give the wing a try. Get rid of this little goof troop right here. You can definitely smell beer coming off of this thing for sure. The wing's phenomenal. It's great. The flavor is amazing. It's good. It's moist. A lot of times people bust out their wings for sure, but I really want to get into this body here and see how that beer affected the meat. Just cut a piece of that right there. Wow, it literally is falling apart. It's so tender. It's great. It's super tender. It's super moist. Does this thing right here make your chicken better while you cook it? I don't know. That's the honest answer, but it sure as hell does make it more fun. This thing is cool as hell. It's a conversation starter and it's fun. And that's what grilling and barbecuing is all about. Good times, good food, and motorcycles with chickens and beer shoved up their ass. Guys, you can get yours at tomsridiculousthings.com, spelled with a dick. D-I-C-K, R-I-D-I-C-K, tomsridiculousthings.com. You can grab one of these. Tell them your boy at Skull and Mortar sent you. In the meantime, I'm going to eat the hell out of this chicken. I'm going to keep this in my repertoire whenever I want to dazzle some folks with some silliness and some fun. Guys, if there was something in this video that you liked that'll help you, or you just had a good time watching along, make sure that you hit the like, leave a comment down below, hit subscribe. All those things are free and they really help out the channel. The links in the description help out the channel. Skullandmortar.com for merchandise. Check me out at Skull and Mortar everywhere. Twitch, Instagram, Twitter, and at Facebook. It's a Skull and Mortar Collective. Let's connect. Let's have fun cooking stuff, guys. I'll see. I'm just gonna keep winking. I don't know what else to do right now. I just feel very. All right, bye. Somebody shut the camera off. I'm making a fool of myself.